Here they have a nice work of art. It's a replica of some giant bird nests, which we're gonna get an up close view of, just so we can see what it's made of. Up close view, and to me it seems like this was weaved from different dry wood stick. A great work of art, if you ask me. Let's go on the inside and see what's going on in here. Okay, look around some more, and we're going one of the baskets, or basket looking thing. Look around. It's a nice work of art, either way. All right. And we're getting ready to wrap this up and take it on the road for our next stop and our next spot.